now arrived at Khao Sok National Park at, what's the name of the dam? Here? Here to the camera? Name of the dam?
Huh?
Name of...
Rajjaprabha. Rajjaprabha.
Rajjaprabha. Right, there you go. That name.
รัชประภาเชี่ยวหลังใช่ไหมคะ
So, yeah, we're now going to take a boat trip. Are we doing 2 or 3 hour?
3 hours
3 hour. We're doing 3 hours. And hopefully get some shots of the gorgeous, scenery that we have here, as you might be able to see. Look at that. Amazing, eh? Okay, here we go. Never been on one of these before.